Hello kids, welcome back to your English class. In today's class, we are going to learn something that is very useful in English grammar, and that is possessive adjectives. Do you know how to show that something belongs to someone? Like my pencil or your eraser. That's what we are going to learn in today's class. So for that, you need to take out your English grammar book, and in English grammar book, you have to open to page number 64, possessive adjectives. Now, as you have opened this, you need to mention date, you need to mention today's date and write classwork over there. So let's start. Firstly, let's start with the definition. We are doing possessive adjectives. So what it is? It shows ownership. Possessive adjective shows who owns something or to whom something belongs. Like see, I'm holding one object in my hand. This is a pen. This pen belongs to me. So this is showing ownership. This is showing ownership. So that's what we are going to discover in today's class. So I hope you are done with mentioning of the date and classwork. So let's quickly see your book. What's there in that? Now I'm reading certain sentences. You pay attention to those sentences. It's there on the page number 64. So let's see. Be careful and listen attentively. This is my neighbor's cat. This is our car. Is this your school? That is his bicycle. Parul is doing her homework. This lion is eating its food. The children are looking for their cricket ball in the bushes. Now we have read some sentences, so let's see what was there in the above sentences. In the above sentences, my, our, your, his, her, its and their, they are possessive adjectives. What are they? They are possessive adjectives. So quickly revise the definition with me. I am reading. You also pay attention to it. Possessive adjectives tells us about possession. What do they tell us? They tell us about possession. They show relationship or belonging. Example, as I told you, my pen, it was showing ownership that it belongs to me. Examples to it are followed. See, my jacket, our home, your pen, his car, her dress, its tail, their team. And one important thing which you need to remember is that it's always followed by a noun. You need to remember this. You need to keep this point in your mind that they are always followed by a noun. Now I hope you must be remembering what is noun. Once again I am telling you, nouns are naming words. Noun is the name of a place, person, animal, thing. So possessive adjectives, they are always followed by a noun. So I hope you have understood what are possessive adjectives. Once again, quickly we are going to read the definition because we are going to get the clarity through it. So let's see. Possessive adjectives tells us about possession. What is possession? Belonging, ownership. They show relationship or belonging. And one important thing which you need to remember is that they are always followed by a noun. Now we'll be doing exercise of this. I'll be writing answer. You can copy down and just remember you have to write clearly in a very neat handwriting. So let's start. Exercise A part. Fill in the blanks with correct possessive adjectives. Children, don't just copy it. Just try to do it by yourself also. First, A part first we are doing. Nidhi, is that dash book on the table? What will come? Yes, you're right. Your. Nidhi, is that your book on the table? The dog is wagging dash tail. Now for animals and non-living thing, what will be used? Its. So write its. The dog is wagging its tail. Maria and Jennifer like dash new English teacher. Now it's used collectively for two person, that is Maria and Jennifer. So what we are going to write? Maria and Jennifer like their new English teacher. T-H-E-I-R. Don't get confused at times because you write this spelling incorrect. So write there properly. I think this is dash coat. She forgot to take it. What will come? She is there. I think this is her coat, because this is showing the belonging to that person who has forgotten to take it. So write, I think this is her coat. She forgot to take it. So I hope you have understood how you are supposed to do this exercise. Rest you need to do by yourself, and also you can check it through the PDF which I'll be sending. Now turn the page and come to page number 66. One of the very important topic is there in this, that is possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So let's understand it, that what is there in it. So let's see possessive adjectives versus possessive pronouns. First, let me tell you the use of it, that what's the use. First use is that they come before a noun. As I told you that the point which you need to remember is that possessive adjectives, they always comes before a noun. What is noun? Naming words. And possessive pronoun, what happens? That it replaces the noun. Now let's read some examples for better clarity. This is my book. Now possessive pronoun of it will be, this book is mine. Is this your book? Is this book yours? That's possessive pronoun. This is our house. This house is ours. This is her pen. Now for possessive pronouns it will be, this pen is hers. Those are his shoes. This is simple possessive adjective. And possessive pronoun to it will be, those shoes are his. It is their football. This football is theirs. That is possessive pronoun. Is their football, and for the other one, as I told you that it was, this football is theirs. That is possessive pronouns. The bird is in its nest. Now see, we saw a table. What we read in that table? Let's understand it. In the above table, my, your, our, her and its and their, they are possessive adjectives, and they are followed by a noun. First, what we understood, as in the beginning only I told you that possessive adjectives, they are followed by a noun. Noun which is a naming word. Mine, yours, ours, hers, his and theirs, they are possessive pronoun. They stand alone. Now possessive adjective tells who owns something, and what is added to it? Noun is added to it. And possessive pronoun shows who owns something alone. They show that something is belong to somebody but alone. Simple language is that shows who owns something alone. Like see, this is my book. Got it? This is possessive adjective. But if I say this book is mine, what I am representing? I am showing that I own something alone. So this book is mine. So I hope you have got this. Like suppose if I tell you one more example, this is my bag. This is possessive adjective. But in other language I can say, while converting it into possessive pronoun, that this bag is mine. Here I am showing that I am owning something alone. So I hope you have got it, that what was there in this, that is possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun. Now of this also I'll be sending below that there's exercise B. Or that exercise I'll be sending you PDF. With that you can do it, but don't forget to write neatly and carefully. No spelling errors should be there. I hope that you have understood the topic possessive adjectives. Let's quickly revise the definition. Possessive adjectives tells us about possession, simple language, belongings, ownership. Whereas first let's discuss about possessive pronoun, what it is. Possessive pronoun, they stand alone and they own something alone only. And they replaces the noun, whereas possessive adjective, they come before a noun or they are followed by a noun. So I hope you have got possessive adjectives. Now I'll be showing you one video. Just see that video and understand it in a very proper manner. So I hope you have understood everything. Don't forget to do the exercise without error. So see the video and enjoy.
Possessive adjectives. Hello, let's go to Arya's house to meet her family. Listen to her carefully.
Hi, I'm Arya. This is my house. Come on in. Look, they are my mom and dad. Their room is the biggest in the house. She's mostly working on her laptop. She has got a tough job. Okay, that's my dad. He is, hanging his clothes. He always helps Mama with household chores. Come, let's go to my room now.
Arya's dad was ironing his clothes. Have you seen your fathers and brothers helping around the house? Think and share. Why do you think men in the family should share household duties too? How do the people in your family share the load?
Not just my room. Meet my brother, Ayush. Anyways, this is our room. We both share it. Oh, I forgot the cutest member of our family. Our dog. This is Puppy. It is very playful and naughty. Look at it. Long ears. Aren't they adorable?
Arya surely loves her family, doesn't she? Look at some of the things she said. Why are these words highlighted? Can you tell? These are nouns. All these nouns belong to someone. Now look at these. These words show that the nouns Arya talked about belong to someone. Like here, the laptop belongs to the mother. To show that, Arya used her. Since they tell something about the noun, they are called possessive adjectives. We use them to show possession of nouns. Let's look at some more examples. Can you spot the possessive adjectives here? Here are and there are possessive adjectives. Notice that possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun as they tell something about the nouns. Now that we have learned about possessive adjectives, let's look at these words. What do you think they are? These are personal pronouns. Every personal pronoun has a possessive adjective. Let's see what we have learned so far. Possessive adjectives are used to show that something belongs to someone. Possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun. Every personal pronoun has a possessive adjective. Activity time. Look at the clips and fill in the blanks using the correct possessive adjectives.
So yes children, I hope you have got a mode through this video. Now what you have to do, as I told you before, you have to complete your exercise as I'll be sending you the PDF. Don't forget to write neatly. That's all for today's class. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.